since my face is super dry, this is my pre-makeup, whatever I do before makeup. I'm gonna start with vitamin C first. Usually I put on my moisturizer, but today I'm gonna use this one. All-time favorite moisturizer. Just so you know, I do suffer from rosacea, so my face tends to be red all the time. So I have red cheeks most of the time. A little bit of in my forehead that's red too. I've learned to live with it and I like it. So yeah, since we are having a little barbecue outside, I am gonna go in with my banana primer from I don't know how to say it. One of my favorite face nude because I want to be extra hydrated. For an extra dose of serum, I'm gonna go in with the hydration serum for an extra plump look. And that's it. We're gonna let that soak in and then come in with the BB cream or CC cream / foundation. But yeah, bye friends. I was gonna use the BB cream, but I do have this cream to powder foundation. I'm gonna try it to see how I like it. I've never tried a cream to powder foundation, but let's see how it goes. I am applying with the brush. It's applying really nice. I like the glow it's giving me. It could also be because of my pre-skincare. I'm actually super impressed by it. I really like it. I'm gonna go with Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This one is a little lighter compared to my NYX, and I like it a lot. Now I'm gonna blend with the blender. Honestly, letting it melt a little bit for about 2 minutes, it gives you a nice blending. And look. Honestly, I'm a Milani and NYX fan. So now I'm gonna go in with my goodie, my oldie but goodie powder from NYX. I'm gonna set my whole concealer and whole face. I'm gonna go with my NYX bronzer, another oldie but goodie, and dust it in. For eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with my NYX glue and then with my Milani pomade. I'm super running out of time. I'm gonna go clean it with my conceal, the Milani concealer. I think I'm gonna have to make a part 2 sadly. Part 2 of me getting ready using the Milani foundation. Milani cream to powder. Although I used the powder right after the foundation to set everything, I forgot it was a powder, but it wasn't a bad idea. I really like it. From the Cali Set palette, I'm gonna go into Downtown LA. It has a mirror. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I don't plan on wearing lashes today, although I love them. So I bought this one for Black Friday deals, but I don't know how I feel about it. It has a really small wand. I like the thicker version, but I like anything that leans it my tiny lashes, and this one just doesn't do it. You see how I didn't do nothing. It's just a little gathering. And there's the mascara. I don't know how I feel about it yet, or maybe. So now I'm gonna go in with this Rose Powder Blush by Milani. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter though. Slash. It's beautiful. Burst water melon spray, setting spray. It smells delicious, baby. Ooh, look at those. Oh, what's wrong with the spray bottle? I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go in with a little dab of lip gloss. Tiny dab. And that's the final look, friends. I went in with the lip gloss. I rudely got cut off, but yes, lightly a little bit, and then with my finger, and there it is.